Hello and welcome to this special news story. Can I store my gold IRA at home? Investing in gold IRA is not a new trend nowadays. Many people are choosing this option to make their life after retirement financially stable. If you want to diversify your retirement investment portfolio safely and efficiently, you can certainly opt for an IRA gold investment. Without making you worry about inflation, this type of investment takes care of your long-term needs. Some dealers and agents advertise that storing gold IRA at home is legal. Can I store my gold IRA at home? This is a very vital question. Many people are searching to find a convincing answer to this question. Some organisations and dealers promote the idea that IRA gold assets can be stored at home. According to these agencies, you can be a custodian of your IRA and keep the gold and other precious metal coins, bars and bullions that you purchase as part of your gold individual retirement account. Home storage gold IRA concepts. These home storage advertisements are creating serious confusion among many investors and IRA custodians. Why does the home storage IRA gold approach cause confusion? It contradicts Section 408M of the Internal Revenue Code. This section clearly states that the gold should be kept in the physical possession of an IRS-approved non-bank custodian or a financial institution. Storing IRA-approved gold at home is illegal. What does it mean? The code clearly says that the home storage gold IRA approach is illegal. Fortunately for you, you have access to safegoldinvesting.com. There you will receive your 100% free gold IRA investment kit.